Okay. So very good afternoon to all. So yesterday we discussed about the link. We started the list unit number 4. So in that, what we discussed, definition, I think definition of a linked list we have completed.
Yes, sir. Types of linked lists.
Definition we discussed. After that, what are the disadvantages of array, disadvantages of linked list? So that part we discussed. Next, definition, right? And meaning of a linked list and the structure of the node. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how link is connecting with each others? So that part also we have discussed, right? After that, types of linked list. So this part is completed. So how many
Yes,
types
sir.
of linked list is there? So can anyone?
2 types of linked lists.
Which one?
Singly linked list,
Singly linked list and doubly linked list. Right. Singly linked list is divided into 2 parts, linear,
parts, linear and circular.
circular, and doubly is also divided into 2 parts. Right. Now today we'll start from the first type, that is the singly linked list. Now operations on linked list. Operations on a linked list we will discuss. Is it visible to all? Both the screens. Operations on linked list. Right. Roll number 2 from division A is here. Roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
So I think you are in the college, right? You are attending from the college, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we will do already, I hope all of you have completed the practical session. Now today I will explain the first part of the linked list, that is the singly linked list. So after that, so if we get a time, so we'll do the practice of that program. So first, let me explain the concept of linked list. After that, we will continue our practical session, right? And I hope, so just I want confirmation from all the students. So whatever the practicals, how many practicals we have completed till date? Now today is our actually practical session, but I think all of you have completed the practice of all the programs. So till date, how many programs we have completed? Till date, how many programs we have completed? Or how many programs you have implemented? So first which program you have implemented? Linear search, all of you have implemented. Linear search.
Binary search.
Binary search.
Implementation of the same program from my side, it is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, another one is the binary search. Next, third one is the
Bubble sort.
bubble sort. After that, fourth one.
Linear.
Stack. What about stack?
Yes, sir. Done.
So I have
Queue.
explained the stack.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, queue. Two types of queue we have discussed, I think, and
Yes, sir.
we
Linear
have
and
come to
circular.
linear and
Circular.
circular. Right. Means how many practicals we have completed till date?
6.
6 practicals, right? So linear search, binary search, bubble sort. So one algorithm we have implemented here, right? Or I have explained one algorithm regarding the sorting. So remaining algorithms, so you can try by your own, right? So at least one algorithm we need to implement here: linear search, binary search, bubble sort, stack, linear queue, and circular queue. Now next, so we're supposed to complete which one? Singly
Linked list.
linear link list, right? So but theoretical part is not completed. So first we'll complete the theoretical part, and after that we'll go for the we'll go to the implementation. We'll go through the implementation part. Now, all of you have completed all these 6 practicals. Any problem?
Yes,
any
sir.
queries? I think
No,
I
sir,
have
no problem.
no problem. Good, very good. I think I have explained all the 6 practicals, all above 6 practicals I have explained from my side, and I'm expecting the practice. Everyone is doing the practice of the same programs, right? And theoretical concept also we have completed. Now, today we'll move to the next singly linear linked list, right? Now, once the theoretical and explanation part is completed, so we'll complete the implementation, and after that you can do the practice in your lab. And if you have any problem, so I will be there for your clearing your doubts, right? So those who are attending the session from college, so use a separate machine for the programming purpose. Don't share a single machine with 2 or 3 students. So number of machines are available. So do the practice by using the single machine, or separately you can do the practice, right? Right. Now we'll see the operations on linked list, right? Operations on linked list. How many operations we are performing here in a linked list? So first, creation of what?
Node.
Node, or we'll say directly linked list. Second operation, insertion of node. Insertion of a node. And third one is the
Display.
delete is required.
Yes, sir.
Or before that, one more operation will see searching of desired node. Searching of desired node. Fourth one is the display. So these many operations first we will see. After that we'll see in detail deletion. Deletion is also there.
Deletion.
Yes. So first, how to create a linked list? So first we need to create a node. Now how to create a node? Creation of node. Yesterday we discussed the concept. Suppose if you want to create a node, how to create the node? What is the structure of node? Node structure.
Data link. Data link.
Data and link, right? Here I will draw the block diagram of the same. Now this is the, now first part is for what purpose?
Data.
Data, or we'll say information or data, whatever it may be. After that, next part is for what purpose?
Link.
Link, right? Now we discussed one concept, that is the self-referential model, self-referential structure. Now with the help of that concept, we will create this node, right? Now how to create? Struct
Node.
node. Node is your user defined name. After that, so two variables we require here. Int first data, or we'll write a info. Info data, that is these are the user defined variables. Next what we required? Next variable type.
Start
Node.
Pointer, but what type of pointer here you are expecting? Pointer.
Next
Simple.
pointer, sir.
Next pointer, okay. But how to write here? Int star next, or now here I want to use the concept that is a self-referential structure concept. Self-referential structure. Yesterday, I think in the previous session where we have discussed self-referential structure concept, we have completed. We have discussed the self-referential concept. Yes. Now, what is the syntax of the self-referential structure? Now, what do you mean by self-referential structure? What we are doing in that?
Pointer with the same structure.
Now, pointer variable we are creating here as a parameter of the same structure or same. Now here as an element of a struct cell, काय create केलेलं as an element? Struct cell star pointer. म्हणजे this structure is calling himself only, right? Now self-referential structure are those structure in which one or more pointer. Now here only one pointer we have. One pointer point to the structure of the same type. Now same concept we use here to create a node. Right. Now here what to write here? So how to write a pointer? Struct node. Here we'll write any link. I will write link semicolon. Right. Now after that, so we need to create a variable of which node? Variable of struct node. Now this is the parameter. This is the parameter of this struct node. This pointer link pointer you are considering as a parameter or element of the struct node, right? Now this element is calling to the same structure, right? Now this pointer is calling to the same structure. Now here I will write. So can I write like this? Start. Here one more pointer variable I have considered. Variable of that struct node. Can I write like this? Yes or no? पहिल्यांदा node ला कोण call करेल? So first who will call this node? With the help of start pointer will call the struct node, and once it is called, so after that first data is info, after that struct node and another link. So link will call the same struct node. So in this way, so we will start rotating here. Right now, initial value. So what is the initial value of start? So initial value will write here null. Right. So this self-referential structure concept we are using for creating the node. Now, how to represent here? How to show here? So here the start pointer will write. Right. Start pointer कुठं असणार आहे? So where it will be start pointer. So here is the start pointer. Now after that, initial values of the start pointer here I have given the null. Right. Initial values I have given the null. Initial value काय आहे start ची इथं? Null आहे. म्हणजे इथं फर्स्ट नोड क्रिएट झाला का? Is this node is created?
Yes.
Yes.
So when this node will create? हा node कधी create होईल?
जेव्हा नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट येईल तेव्हा.
Start is equal to what we required here.
Address of
Address of
next data.
first linked list.
Address of now here. Now this is the your temp variable. ठीक आहे. हा काय आहे तुमचा temp आहे. Temp or we'll call it as a node. This is a temporary node, right? Now you want to insert the data like this. So 10, right? Now here is the 10. Now what you need to do here? So you need to assign. Now this is the structure of the node. Now initially we'll define the structure or we'll create the structure. Now first operation. So when we will start with the first operation, creation of node. Creation of node. Creation of a node. All of you give attention. So these concepts, or sorry, not creation of a node already we have discussed. Creation of a linked list we require. So creation of a linked list. Creation of a linked list. Now here we have created a node. So by using this self-referential structure. Now after that we are creating the linked list. Now how to create? When we are creating the linked list, so first we'll check if, all of you give attention. So this part is very, very important. So if you have understood these basic concept, so next 4 points, so you are able to do by your own, right? But for that purpose, this basic concept is very important. Now, if start is equal to null, then what it means? Null असेल तर काय असणार? So what it means?
Empty. Linked
Is-
list empty.
Linked list is empty. Yesterday we discussed this condition. Now, if the list is empty, means what we need to do? काय करावं लागेल? If list is empty, then what you need to do? Now here, the start is equal to null. Now we are creating the first node. We are creating the first node. Right. Now initially start is equal to empty. Initially start क्या है? Now initially start is equal to null, means start is empty, right? If it is empty, then we are able to create the
Yes,
first
sir.
node, right? Hello. Start is equal to null असल्यानंतर काय असणार आहे? Empty. ऋतुजा माने joined here. ऋतुजा माने जॉईन झाले का? ऋतुजा माने. Roll number A15. Not ready. Okay, when you are joining the session, so at that time you need to write your roll numbers and now who is joined here by using the Linux lab? So rename yourself, otherwise I will remove your. Now who is joined with the roll number A56? Still you have not started your audio. 45. Hello. Now who is iPhone 13 Pro Max? Renamed or not? Roll number A56 and B45. Okay, what we are discussing, if start equal to null, then our list is empty, right? Now, if you want to insert a node, so that node is of value 10. Node की value किती आहे? 10 आहे, right? And the variable name, so we'll give temp here, TMP. Is it visible to all? So this screen. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now this temp node, or this 10 value you want to insert here, right? Now how to insert? So first we'll check start equal to null. If it is true, so then what we are doing? Start is equal to. So what you need to assign here? Whose address you need to assign? Start ला कोणाचा address assign करणार आहे?
First link.
First links TMP, right? So we'll write here TMP, and TMP is equal to what? So start will write, and TMP ला कोणाचा ऍड्रेस असाइन करणार आहे? TMP मध्ये स्टार्टचा ऍड्रेस स्टोअर करू. बट लिंक कुठली देणार आहे इथं? whose link you are giving? TMP.
Node.
So
Next.
these operator is called as a इथं काय वापरणार मग? लिंक वापरा किंवा नेक्स्ट वापरा. ठीक आहे. काय वापरणार इथं? इथं काय म्हटलेलं आपण? लिंक म्हटलेलं आहे का?
लिंक वापरायला लागेल ना सर.
Okay, so what we are discussing? Temp of link वापरावं लागेल. Temp of link is equal to what? Temp of link. Temp of link म्हणजे कुठले आले? Which value you are giving? This value. So what value is required here? So if you are inserting the first value, means temp of link is equal to null element, right? And here also not start. So temp of what? Temp of info na? Temp of info. Temp of info काय असणार आहे इथे? So what is the temp of info? So that is 10. Right, and start is equal to temp. So here start pointer you are assigning to this first node, and after that, so temp of info is equal to 10 and temp of link is equal to null. Now here the first node you have created, right? So before that you have created this struct node, right? And with the help of that struct node, so if you want to insert the first value, so that will be inserted by using the create operation, right? Now once you have created, this is the first node, right? Now we'll see in detail how the creation operation is done. So first we'll see the basic concept, how it is work or how it is working, right? Next, insertion. Here creation of a node. Second, insertion of node at beginning. So all of in the queue. So we are inserting the node at the beginning or at the end, or we are inserting the values of the values at the end or at the beginning. Where we are inserting?
At the beginning.
Queue मध्ये. At the end we are inserting or at the start?
At the end.
At the end we are inserting, right? But here
Yes.
in linked list we will insert at any position, no problem, right? Now here we'll see how to insert the node at the beginning of the linked list, right? Now suppose you have a 10, already you have a 10, right? Now before that 10, suppose if you want to insert one more node here. Now let me draw this. This start is connected with this 10. Now here is the, I'll write yes only. This start, and start is connected with the first node, first node is this one, right? So this much list is with us, right? Now one more element you want to add here. Now one more element you want to add here. Now when you are adding the new element, so that element will store it in a temporary variable, right? And here no link is given, right? Here also the null is there. Ita suda kai next null I already we have. Now this 20 you want to insert here, but where before 10. Now how to insert it? How to insert?
Address
Okay.
of 20 is given to start.
Now start is equal to what we will write? Start is equal to, now again, so this is also called as a temp. So then what you will do? Start is equal to temp, right? And after that, so link of,
In
sorry, temp of kind of temp of link is equal to what you need to give here? Temp of
20.
link 10 20.
20.
मला हा सुरुवातीला ऍड करायचा आहे इथं, ह्याची लिंक काय असेल?
Null.
इथं असाइन करायचं.
info.
स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू टेम्प केलं, बरोबर आहे. हा टेम्पचा ऍड्रेस इकडे याला असाइन केला. काय मी केलेलं आहे लक्षात घ्या. इकडे काय चेंज करावं लागेल? जर हा मला सपोज इफ यू वॉन्ट टू असाइन, सो दिस 20 टू द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लिंक लिस्ट. नाउ सो दिस 10 नाउ स्टार्ट इज असाइन टू व्हॉट, टू होम? स्टार्ट कोणाला असाइन झालेला आहे? इथं स्टार्ट कोणाला असाइन झालेला आहे? 10 ला असाइन झालं. मग मी काय करणार? इथनं स्टार्ट काढणार. सो व्हॉट आय विल डू, आय विल रिमूव्ह द स्टार्ट, right? I will not do anything to this 10, right? So simply what I will do, so I will remove this start and I will assign this start to this 20. Now start 20 ला गेला म्हणजे 20 काय झाला? First element झाला. So this will be the first element, right? And if start is equal to 20 means here the next link काय असणार आहे? What will be the next? ती कोणाची असेल? एच ची असेल, बरोबर आहे. पण ह्याला अगोदर काय होती लिंक? कोणाची लिंक होती? स्टार्टची लिंक होती. मग ह्याला फक्त इथं काय करणार आहे मी? स्टार्ट लिंक, राईट? सो सिम्पली, सो बाय रायटिंग दिस टू स्टेटमेंट or by writing these two statement, you are able to insert the node at the beginning of the linked list, right? So we'll see in detail, right? We'll write a separate function for this, but just we'll see how many operations we are going to perform. Now in this way we will insert the node at the beginning. Now suppose if you want to insert the node at any specific position, so that part also we will see here. Now third one we need to see here, that is the searching of node. Searching of node. Now searching, suppose you have a linked list. Suppose you have a linked list which is having 4 nodes are there in a linked list, right? Now how to search the node in that linked list? Here I will draw the linked list. Sorry. Ten is pointing to 20, right? After that, pointing to 30. After that 40, and here is the null. Right, and here is our start pointer. Now, how to search the element? Suppose if you want to search 30. Now, how to search the 30 here? Now, by using the array, how you are searching? By using the array, how you will identify the location of 30? By using array. Array use करून कसं search करणार? Suppose all these list is stored in A of 4. So what is the location of 30 here?
2.
A of 2, right? So by considering the index directly, you are able to access that particular element. But in linked list, is it not possible, right? Now, how to access the 30 in a linked list? Already, as we have discussed, this is the drawback, right? Suppose if you want to access any of the particular element from a linked list, so we need to start from we need to search the element from the starting onwards. Let it be if you know the location, but here in a linked list, so we need to search it from the starting onwards, right? Now, how to search? Now here, you know the start pointer, right? Start pointer is pointing to the first node. Now here, I will take one temporary variable. Temp is equal to starting pointer guy. So what is the start pointer of the linked list? So start is there, right? So I will share, I will take the temp is equal to start, right? Now, after that, so you need to search while you need to search. So first I'll write the logic here. While temp is not equal to null, जोपर्यंत temp null येत नाही. So null when you will get null कुठे मिळेल तुम्हाला temp ची value? So initial value of temp, what we have considered here? What is the initial value of temp? Start we have considered, right? Right. Now we are searching we are considering the temp value up to what? So temp is not equal to null. It's when you will get not equal to null. Now here you will get the not equal to null. Now, if it is true, so if it is true, then what you are doing? If it is true, so first I'll write the condition. After that, you will get the clear idea. So temp of data. So what we want to check here? Temp of info we want to check, right? So temp of info is equal to key. Now here we'll give the input. Key is equal to suppose 30, right? And we'll compare this key with this info, right? Now, if temp of info is equal to key, so then what you are doing? Then what you are doing? The process the cache na printf what? Search is successful, and here you can display the message search is successful like this, right?
And
Or element is found like this, element found element, right? So found element and display the element also, right? Hello. Hello. Hello, screen is visible. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because of the internet connection, so I have disconnected. Right, what we are discussing, we are
Your
yes.
voice is not clear.
Now it is clear. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we are discussing about the searching of a node, right? Now these are the list of the nodes, so 10, 20, 30, and 40. Now we want to search the key that is 30. So here I have or data 30, right? How to search? So first step, so we'll take one temporary variable. So temp is equal to start. So initial value of this is the start pointer, right? So we'll store the value of start pointer in the, or we'll assign the start pointer value in the temp, and we'll check here while. So this condition we have given. So we'll check the temp pointer, so till it will not become a null, right? Now first condition, first we'll check if temp of info is equal to key, the first element. So you can compare it. So temp of info for the first node, is it, what is the value of temp of info for the first node? Now temp of info is connected with the first node. So why? Because here the temp is equal to what? Start. Means start is connected with whom? First node or second node?
First node.
First node. Start node connected ahe. So first node. So same value is copied in temp pointer, right? So here the temp pointer. So we'll check the info. Temp of info is equal to key. So what is the value of temp of info here? काय value?
10.
10, right? Now what is the key we want to search? What is the value of key?
30.
30. Is it matching or not?
No.
No.
Means this condition is false.
False.
If it is matching, so we'll print here found the element, and if you want to display the element, so you can, right? So comma, you can write this temp info, or we'll see how to display it at the time of implementation. Now here, now else, if it is not found, means what you are doing here, if it is not found, so then what we are doing, so we are incrementing the temp of, now how to increment the temp? So temp is equal to, we are assigning temp is equal to temp of link value we are assigning. Now we are incrementing the temp by 1. So here, so now temp is assigned to this one. Now temp of link. So what is the value of temp of link here? So what is the value of temp start of link? इथं start of link काय असणार आहे? Address of next element. Start of link is address of next element. Or now here start we have copied in temp, means temp of link काय असणार आहे? Address of the, what is the value of temp of link? Address of the next node. Now same address is copied here. Now temp will move to the next node here, right? Now after that again we'll check temp of info is equal to key. Now what is the value of temp of info here? Hello? Hello? All of you are able to understand, so how the pointer is moving from one node to the another node? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
इथं काय व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे? व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू हिअर? आणि ही व्हॅल्यू कशी स्टोअर केलेली आहे? ही व्हॅल्यू कशी असणार आहे? स्टार्ट ऑफ ही काय आहे इन्फो आहे तुमची. स्टार्ट ऑफ इन्फो ही पहिली बरोबर आहे. आणि ही दुसरी काय व्हॅल्यू आहे तुमची. व्हॉट इज दिस व्हॅल्यू. स्टार्ट ऑफ व्हॉट.
Link.
Start of
Link.
all of you have give attention here. This is the start of link, right? So of first node. Now what we have done here, so we want to search the 30, right? So 30 we want to search. Now initially what I have done, so temp is equal to start.
temp equal to start.
Means here, so this first node, so now start च्या ठिकाणी काय आलेलं आहे इथं टेम्प आलेलं आहे. इथं काय आलेलं आहे टेम्प आलेलं आहे. नाव सो व्हॉट वी आर चेकिंग टेम्प ऑफ इन्फो. सो व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टेम्प ऑफ इन्फो. Whatever the value of start of
10.
info, that will be considered here 10, right? Now after that key, what is the value of key. 30, right? So it is matching or not. Not. So condition is false. So we are coming to the else loop, right? Now again, so here we have assigned the values of start to the temp, right? But here again we are reassigning the values. Now here we are assigning the value of temp is equal to what value we are assigning. Temp of link. Means temp of link means what value we will assign. Which value we are considering here. This start of link. And what is the value of start of link here. Start of link ची value काय आहे